It's time for Sagan's Book of the Day.
Let's on Sagan Loki. Let's take a peek.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Kids, you can do it. Hey Sagan, what's your book of the day?
Dogman and Cat Kid.
Dogman and Cat Kid. You love these books.
Yep.
You've read them like a dozen times. All of them. How much do you like them? You don't even know what to say.
7,000,000,084 stars.
That is a lot of stars. I don't think that we can put that on the show. I don't think that many stars is going to fit in the screen. I don't think the screen even has that many pixels. Okay, so describe the book. Who wrote it?
Dav Pilkey.
Okay, and what else did he write?
I know.
He does Captain Underpants.
Oh yeah.
You didn't like the idea of that one so much, but you really like the idea of this one. So what's the basic story? What's Dogman's backstory, maybe?
Dogman,
Well, you know what? Explain the backstory and then explain Dogman's backstory.
I can't. I don't. Well, there is actually a backstory at the beginning.
Right. That's how he became Dogman. He's a superhero named Dogman. And how did he become Dogman? That's his backstory. Did you find the backstory?
Yeah.
Okay, explain the backstory with the kablooey and everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
One time a cop and a police dog got hurt in an explosion. In the hospital, the doctor gave them sad news.
Oh, yeah.
Boo-hoo. Your head's dying, cop. Oh, man. Your body's dying, dog. Oh, that's the dog whining.
Yeah.
It actually just says
like...
whine.
Yeah.
But then the nurse lady got a great idea. Let's see the dog sit on a cop's body. Your teeth is ready. They had a big operation. And like a warrior born of adversary, a hero rose from the ashes. Hooray for Dogman!
Okay, so Dogman has a human police officer's body and a dog's head.
Hold on.
Right?
But there's more of the backstory.
Oh, okay.
Along the way, Dogman has made some great friends. Chief, world's greatest chief. Zuzu, world's greatest poodle. Sarah Hayanoff, world's greatest reporter. And one terrible enemy. Petey.
I was going to get to Petey. Okay.
World's evilest cat.
Evilest cat. But not all the cats are bad because what happens?
Oh, and look at what he says. I can't do dogs, man. If it's the last thing I do.
You know, the nemesis almost always says something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, but explain Cat Kid. Where did Cat Kid come from? He's a new sidekick.
In our last story, Pete tried to make a clone of himself, but his clone was a kitten. Things went from bad to worse. But one lucky night, all that changed.
Nice.
Loki found a new home.
I'm glad.
But can he escape his destiny? Backstory.
Yeah.
That was
Basically,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages of the backstory.
So we got the whole backstory of the characters. So there's a superhero and a sidekick, and there's a nemesis. You really like these books. Why don't we do this?
Whoa!
What? What do you like about them? Is it because they're silly?
I love the art. I love how it looks.
The artwork and the colors and the silliness and sometimes the stuff that's really obvious.
Yeah.
Yeah. You like the style. The style in the story. Do you want to do star ratings?
Yeah.
Okay, star ratings. Was it better, the same, or worse than you expected?
Better.
Better? I would say the same because you expected it to be pretty awesome. But I'll take better. Did you want to finish once you started reading it?
Yes.
How many times have you read this?
7 billion.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that sounds about right. Is it your kind of book, or would someone else like it better?
My God.
Of course. Do you want to look for other books by this author or illustrator with these characters?
Yes.
Of course. And 5 stars. Did it inspire you or make you think or anything like that?
It inspired me
Right.
so good. I love that book.
He read this a couple times a day for weeks. Lots of times. Yeah, I know. So 5 stars for Dogman and Cat Kid.
No, not 5. More than 5.
I know, but only what we can fit. So many, many stars for Dogman and Cat Kid and all the other Dogman books. They're great. So much fun, so colorful, good artwork that you can copy pretty easily. Right? You could do your own fan art.
Yeah,
It's not
it
too
tells
hard to
you
draw.
how to draw everyone at the end.
That's cool. Does it do it in this one too?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
And the next Dogman is Lord of the Fleas.
Lord of the Fleas. That's going to be good. Maybe you should show the Bark Knight. Wasn't there a Bark Knight? How to draw?
Yeah, that was
The Batman one.
how to draw the Bark Knight. In 46 ridiculous easy steps. And there is him.
Challenge yourself. Read. Kids, you can do it. High five. Okay, cut. Hi guys, it's Loki. Thanks for all your likes and comments and shares. Did you know we make safe, family-friendly playlists on a variety of subjects from other trusted channels too? No pranks, no gross-outs, and no bad behavior. Check one of them out here, or follow us on Twitter to get regular updates. See you again soon!